Hey, it's James here from HEB. I'm going to show you how to install your 20x4 tire. Tubes, tire levers will be needed, an air pump, and your wheel. To get started, you've removed your old tire. Make sure your tire liner is in the center all the way around and your valve is clear. When the tires first come from the box, a little bit flat, just spend a second and fluff it up a little bit. So these tires are directional, and it's written here by the size of the tire. So you get the rotation going in the right way. So this is our rear wheel. So your rotation says it goes that way. So as a quick reference, the yellow goes on the right side. I like to use my lap to install the tire. So you just use your hand and push it over the edge. The sidewalls are stiff, so it does take a little bit of work. Once you have that done, so then you can get your tube. I recommend you put in a little bit of air just to give the tube some shape. And then insert your tube into the tire. So once you have your tube in, a little bit of air, just let it drop over the edge, push your valve out. That'll stay nicely. And tuck in the rest of the tire. And for this next part, you'll need your tire levers. That's where your valve cap is as well. So you can screw that on so it doesn't come out. I'd like to start and move my way around. And you can see here it's going to get quite tight. It's a good time for your tire levers. Now, take a second and get this somewhat even all the way around. You can see the reveal. Inflate. The inflation information is just around from the logo. You'll see 5 to 30 psi. And as you're inflating the tire, just keep checking this reveal. And then check the other side. And you can see we have a high spot. So you come through here and then adjust this one. Sometimes you'll even need to hold it in place if it wants to keep moving out. And here we have a little bit of a low spot, so same thing, it's kind of so you can inflate that to your desired air pressure and then reinstall your valve cap. Voila.